Playtime friends. Today we're gonna make slime! Yay!
Yay!
Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, so we have this slime here.
Here's the cap. Let's get all the stuff out.
Yep. So we have the powder and the glitter and the surprise. So we'll look at that later.
Yeah.
Okay, so to start with this, per the instructions, always use the instructions. It's just better that way. Okay, so we gotta pour the slime powder.
Yeah.
Can you get that open?
Yeah, open that and then I'll pour it in.
Here, you get this powder.
And then you can do the next part.
Lost my shoe. Okay, this is quite something to get this powder
Can I
open.
try? Let me try.
Okay, you work on that. I'm gonna go and work on the glitter.
Okay.
So try to get the glitter packet open.
Wait, let me.
Maybe this will be a little bit easier to get that packet open. Maybe we'll. Oh, I got the pack. I got the glitter pack open. Oh, I got the glitter pack open. All right.
Wait, don't pour it.
Yes, we gotta pour it. We pour the glitter and the powder.
Wow, it fell down.
All right. All that glitter
That's
in the
gonna be
container.
hard.
That's gonna be fun. Wow. All right.
I wish we can jump in it.
Okay, let me try it.
Okay, try it again.
Difficult to get this. Oh, this powder part is so.
Are you guys ready to have some fun with some slime? Yeah!
All right. Got the powder open.
Okay.
Pouring all that powder.
Let me-
Wait, careful. So we don't get it all over.
It might like spill, so I'm gonna hold it for you.
Okay. Powder in there now. Yes.
Yay! Now
Now.
what do we have to do?
The third step,
Just add some water.
to the line. Watch out.
Hold on. Let me pour it.
Let's pour that in there. Yeah, to the line.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's this line. There's
Yeah.
a little line in there.
That's
Okay.
good. Don't tap it. Oh,
All right,
there's a
so
little
now we
mess.
take the cap,
And just put it on there.
put it all in there, and now we shake it up, shake it!
Shake it.
Woohoo! Shake it! Okay. Shake it
Don't
all.
do that. It might like spill out a lot.
Nope, we got it close right up. There we go. Woo! Okay, now, fans, it's gonna have to wait 5 minutes. So we'll be back in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
All right,
We're
Playtime
back.
friends, we're back.
Yep.
Okay, so let's open the slime.
Look, everybody.
There's scoop on there. It's glittery. Look, that's so pretty.
Now let's put the surprise in.
Okay, yeah, let's put that
kinda-
surprise in the goop. Oh gosh, it's so squishy.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So cool. Now let's take it out. And like,
Yeah, let's try to take it out.
this is kind of like goopy. Oh, wow.
Oh wow, this
Feel
is
it.
cool.
Let's like kind of mix it in because some of the glitter is kind of still in there. Still kind of. Let's mix it up. Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at all that glitter.
Wow. Oh, it's kind of like,
gosh. Playtime friends. What do you guys think of that?
look guys, do you see this? Do you see this glitter?
Wow. And where's our surprise toy? Mix all in there.
Let's mix all the glitter in first and then like.
Give me a piece of this. Wee!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, took the whole thing. Oh, yay, look like that. I got a piece of glitter. Glittery
Yay.
slime. Wee.
Look guys, look at the slime.
Yeah.
Look at the slime, guys.
And you can always squish it.
Stretch
Oh.
it. Oh, I found the surprise in it. Can I-
Surprise! Slime is so much fun, my glittery friends. Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
that was so stretchy.
Yeah.
It was like, wow.
Maybe, let's see if we can put little bunny.
Yeah, let's put baby bunny. Bunny. Oh, She likes it in there.
Oh, let's find her. Where is?
Oh, I found her. I found her.
See.
Oh, she's good as new. She didn't even get dirty. Let's put her back where she was.
Oh, nice. And let's try to stretch it apart. Pull on that in. Pull on that in. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Oh, look at that stretchy, stretchy, stretchy.
It goes through the sky. Wow. Wow.
Bloop. Splat.
Look, can you see this, guys? Look. Do you see it's kind of like really, it's really like, it's like glitter. I love it. Yeah. Oh, it's the camera.
So much fun.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yes, there's some still up here. Let's get some of that.
Add
Oh,
that
it's
to it.
oh, feel it. It's like kind of cold. It's colder. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Feel it. It's like
That is cold.
this one's warmer than it. Well, it's kind of cold, but it's not that cold. Compare it. Wait, you put it back in? We're gonna sweep that mess up after this.
Let's see if we get sick. Oh, that's so cool.
That's so pretty. Oh, it's like making holes. That's so cool. Let's do that again. Wait, let's do it again. Whoa.
Actually, let's see. Wrap me around in the
Goop.
wrapping all around.
It'll take some of your
dear.
glitter. Ah, there's some still on you. Wait, we need to get some of it off. There's some.
There's just a little goofy bit.
Here, you guys want to touch it? Here.
Do 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 do. Playtime with the LOLs. Playtime with the LOLs. Slime playtime. Hello slime. Ooh 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 ooh. Playtime. Walk like an Egyptian. Do 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 do. And let me stomp in some slime. Do 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 do.
Playing with some slime. Playing with some slime. Playing with some slime. It's always fun to do.
Yay!
Oh, it kind of made noises like.
Squishy, squishy. Yep, I heard that.
Wait, be quiet because we know.
Okay. Shh. Oh. Oh.
It's kind of making like lots of noise.
Where's our other slime? Go get our other slime. Let's see. I'm gonna get their other slime. I'll be back.
Okay.
If I can find it.
I know where it is. I'll go get it. You stay here and play.
Play. Ooh. Look at that. It's gonna go down. Yeah. Oh no. Ooh. Do you see the sparkly? All right.
Here's the other slime. Oh, I like the slime. I wish we could mix it, but then we wouldn't have slime at all.
So anyway, fans, until next time, keep playing and come back to Playtime. Playtime slime.
If you want to see more videos, just click some more videos, and then you can see more slime videos.
Click subscribe. We would like that. Leave comments if you like this video.
And go to the icon to see how, if you didn't see how we made this slime. I mean, how we got this slime. That's what I meant.
All right. See you, folks.
See ya.